Google Scholar is a useful search engine that can be used in conjunction with other information resources, including those found in libraries. It's the quality of the information that's important, not how it was located. Follow the principles of assessing information and use Google Scholar to complement your research. This short video explains why you might use it and how to use it effectively. This slide lists the reasons why you might like to use Google Scholar. It's because Google Scholar researches a lot of scholarly material, including books and chapters, journal articles, conference papers, and theses on a wide range of subjects. The material that you find is scholarly, authoritative. That's the focus that Google Scholar has, which distinguishes it from just the straightforward, ordinary Google. It's a quick and easy way to broadly search for scholarly information. When your results are displayed, they are sorted by relevance based upon the full text matching method, where the item was published, who wrote it, and how often it's been cited by other authors. In this search of Google Scholar, I'm using the words homeless, Australia. I'm using the phrase mental health, so it needs to be in inverted commas, and then I'm putting in two alternative words, either alcohol or drug. I'm happy for Google Scholar to find either of those words, so or is in between them, and they're kept together by parentheses between alcohol and drug. And then clicking on search. It finds a number of articles, and I can see that there's full text on the side there by those links, but I want to do a custom range of dates, so I'm putting in 2015 to 2018. I'm quite interested in that first one, multiply disadvantage. So clicking on the screen onto the link, it takes me to Wiley Online Library. So just scrolling down the page, I'm trying to see if I've got the full text of the article, which I don't. It's actually asking me to purchase the article. Rather than do that, I'd rather go back to see whether or not TAFE New South Wales has access to this journal, which is Drug and Alcohol Review. This particular article, Multiply Disadvantage, appears in volume 34.4 in July 2015 and begins on page 379. So going back to the Bachelor of Community Services library page and then clicking on e-journals, I can type into the e-journal title search box, Drug and Alcohol Review, and then search for that particular journal. The first two results of this particular search give us access to Drug and Alcohol Review, with the first one giving us full text between 1999 to the present day. Click the link. Your TAFE username and password goes here. Click this link. Then we're taken to the publication details for Drug and Alcohol Review. So open up the year 2015 and go to volume 34, issue 4. If you scroll down this page, we should be able to see Multiply Disadvantage listed there. There it is. So just click on the PDF full text to open up the journal article. So here we have full text access to this particular journal article. We haven't had to pay for it. You can read it online, or if you scroll to the top of the page, you can download the article or you can print it. So Google Scholar is fantastic for finding these articles, but you may need to search beyond Google Scholar to get full text. Library contact details are listed on the Bachelor of Community Services library webpage. Please contact us if you need any assistance. We are really happy to give you a hand if you need some help.